So it's a person. She created a girl. Who did you create? Elsa. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Doodle Crate, and I'm very excited to get into this with you. So if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do different unboxings like this, to give you curriculum ideas. So please hit that subscribe button below, and let's open this box and see what it is. So this month it says it's a handcrafted sculpture. Learn the art of wire armature. There's a lot of words this month that I just am not doing well with. To create your own clay sculptures. So that sounds really intriguing, actually. I'm like, what does that even mean? Okay, so when we open it, this is what it looks like right there on top. So we have our instructions manual with this cool tree on the front with a bird. Probably an example of what you can make. So it's gonna give us some examples. So this must be what that word means that I can't pronounce. Armature. I don't know if that's how you say it, but creating stuff out of metal and then covering it in clay. So in here we have some wire like this. We have a little cork, that's what it's called. A cork thing that has some holes in it and maybe a sticker on the back. There's a package of clay right there. Some clay tools. A little bit of glue. A paintbrush, which probably goes with the paints right here to paint your thing when you're done. And then this is just a piece of wood, so I'm not really sure what that's for. We have a little sponge and some tissue paper, it looks like. And then waxy type paper, maybe to do the project on, I'm not really sure. And that's all. That's what's in here. So I'm excited about this. This is, again, something just new and exciting for my daughter to try and for me to experience as well, because we've never done anything like this before. So I'm gonna let her at it and I will let you know how it goes. So Alana finished her Doodle Crate and we're really excited to share it with you. So do you want to hold it up so they can see it? There it is. So it's a handcrafted sculpture. Do you remember the armature? I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's what she used. So that means she built it using wire. Let me see if you have a picture in here. So right here, it shows how you put the wires together to try to create something. So she created the top one. So it's a person. She created a girl. Who did you create? Elsa. So this is her Elsa, and we gave her a cape. As you can see right here, she has a cape on. And so we had a lot of fun making this, huh? What was your favorite part?
Getting the paint and getting decide what I made.
Okay, you liked painting it.
And getting the design what I made.
The design? Mm-hmm. Okay. And what was the hardest part? The wires were a little bit difficult. Mm-hmm. She probably doesn't remember that part. But trying to twist them was a little bit hard, but she picked the simplest design, which is something I think is really great with this craft, is that even though this box is supposed to be for 9 to 14-year-olds, I feel that it can be easily adapted for younger ages. So hers only required a few wires and twisting before she could start sculpting, and that was a pretty easy thing for her to do, was the sculpting part. But it includes a lot of wires, so we still have all of these wires left over. So you can make something super complicated like this tree on the front. There's different animals, like 4-legged things that they made. So I feel like it's very adaptable to age group and also ability of the child of what they're able to do. So I thought that was really great, and there's still leftover clay. So if you wanted to make another one, you could always have some foam and stick the wire in that, since we already used this base for this wire. So we thought it was a super fun craft. It didn't take a super long time. It just had drying time for the clay, which was overnight, and then drying time for the paint, you know, and then we made this little cape with the, tissue paper. I'm like, the word is lost, not in my mind anymore. So we made this little cape with the tissue paper, and so that had to dry a little bit. But other than that, those little steps didn't take enormous amounts of time. It was just waiting for things to dry. So we're really excited to see what next month brings and to see how it all goes. So if you're interested in seeing more unboxings like this, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.